The Narwal Freo Z Ultra is more than just a cleaning device. It's an intelligent home companion that transforms the way you maintain your living space. Built with innovation at its core, it combines raw power, smart technology, and thoughtful design to deliver a cleaning experience that is both effortless and remarkably effective. At the heart of its performance lies a 12,000 Pascal suction system, one of the most powerful in its class. This ensures that whether you're dealing with fine dust, stubborn pet fur, spilled cereal, or debris hidden deep within carpets, every surface is left spotless. Unlike standard vacuums that often struggle on thicker rugs or larger messes, the Freo Z Ultra maintains consistent suction strength, guaranteeing a deep clean without compromise. One of its standout innovations is the Zero-Tangling brush, a conical roller mounted on a single floating arm. Traditional vacuums often struggle with hair wrapping around brushes, leading to frustrating maintenance, but the Freo Z Ultra solves this with a design that passes hair and fur directly into the dust bag. Certified by both SGS and TÜV, it achieves an impressive 0% tangle rate, instantly removing up to 99.5% of hair. For pet owners in particular, this feature is a game-changer, keeping floors hair-free without constant manual cleaning. The intelligence of the Freo Z Ultra extends well beyond its mechanics. Equipped with Proactive AI DirtSense 2.0, it doesn't just vacuum blindly. It actually senses the dirt levels in your home and adapts its cleaning intensity in real time. This means your floors get cleaned as thoroughly as they need every single time, without wasted energy or missed spots. Its capabilities don't stop at vacuuming. The AI adaptive hot water mop washing and drying system takes care of wet cleaning too. After mopping your floors, the robot automatically washes and dries its mop heads with hot water, ensuring they remain hygienic and fresh for the next cleaning session. This eliminates the common issue of bacteria or odors that can build up in reusable mop pads. The self-emptying base station elevates convenience even further. Ultra-quiet in operation and designed to compress dust efficiently, it offers up to 120 days of maintenance-free cleaning. Instead of worrying about emptying the dustbin every few days, you can enjoy months of uninterrupted performance while the station silently manages the waste. Navigation is another area where the Freo Z Ultra shines. With tri-laser obstacle avoidance and millimeter precision mapping, it maneuvers effortlessly around your home, detecting even small, low-lying objects that other robots might miss. Side sensors allow it to clean right up against walls and edges, leaving no gaps in coverage. Pet owners will find even more to appreciate with its pet-friendly cleaning mode. This specialized function adapts the robot's cleaning strategy to tackle pet-related messes while operating gently around your furry companions. The result is a cleaner, fresher home that keeps both pets and their owners comfortable. From hardwood floors to plush carpets, the Freo Z Ultra adjusts seamlessly to any surface, providing a tailored cleaning strategy for every room. Its combination of powerful suction, AI-driven intelligence, self-maintenance, and pet-conscious design makes it a complete solution for modern households. In essence, the Narwal Freo Z Ultra isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a premium home cleaning system built to save time, reduce effort, and deliver peace of mind. With its advanced features, it redefines what you can expect from a robot cleaner, giving you more freedom to enjoy your home while it quietly takes care of the mess.